whenever you get in the car, it comes up because the tire pressure monitoring system doesn't work because the battery's died a long time ago. Just hit reset and it'll show you how many miles you got. Oh, I'm sorry, Alice. I told you wrong. Holy moly! He's running after the... Oh, wow! The police is going after that guy. He must be doing 100 miles an hour.
Wizard, what do you see as you twist the tiles beneath our feet? What do you see?
What, you directing traffic while you're breaking the law? Did you see him? I'm definitely pulling this fine trouble. I've never seen that before, sweetheart. Only in San Diego. Yeah, that's cute.
Not me, but
that's a lot.
oh my goodness. Oh,
Okay.
oh my
Oh, that's gotta fall off.
I'm going to try to get it for a little less than, whoa, did you see that guy?
Yeah.
Ooh, come on over, buddy. I got the military discount. Woo, baby, did you see that guy? Whoa. I like it when she laughs. That's always makes a good part of the video. just to cut in front of you and go all the way over to the left, and that's it.
There's no one behind me.
I mean, to the right, and that's it.
There's no one behind me, so.
Yeah. No. Good questions. Oh, yeah, come on in there, baby. Come on.
1-1-8800 or head to SiriusXM.com/go to sign up quickly.
Did you not see me there? Oh, which lane's this guy on? Oh, that guy. That's the way you do it.
Aren't they kind of interchangeable though?
Ooh.
Yeah, warm and sunny tomorrow, then cooler with another chance of showers Thursday, warmer for the weekend. Right now downtown, mostly cloudy, 61. I'm Marilyn Hyder. Your next update at 12:30.
Okay, buddy,
Stay
come
connected,
on.
stay
Come
informed
on,
on
go,
San Diego's
go, go.
breaking news station, News Radio
Good
600
God,
Kogo.
you should have waited. And then you, oh, what's that guy? What's he coming?
Right now, let's get to those wet roads with Kevin Dean. And more trouble here on the northbound side of the I-5. Good drive coming out of the south bay. However, once you get up towards Claremont Drive, there's the right lane blocked with that rollover accident. They're working to get that driver out of the car. It looks like the driver's okay, just could not get out of the car. It was too bent up. That's northbound 5 right at Claremont Drive. A lot of people pulled over to help. Authorities are on the scene now, and traffic a little bit slow getting up through Mission Bay, although everybody kind of steering to the left and getting around that okay. Palm Avenue on-ramp to the southbound 5. Westbound accident there as a car that smashed into the right shoulder. Westbound side of the 8, it was an accident just before College. Eastbound side of the 8, same area. College Boulevard crash in the right lane, so several spin-out accidents on our freeways. Bridge traffic is light, only a 45-minute delay. And northbound at Sdcdcd, that's good news. A lot of traffic downtown, even with the rain. At the Petco vaccination station, looks like people are lining up to get their vaccinations this morning. So watch for some traffic getting off at Imperial off the I-5. That seems to back up first. This report is sponsored by CashIn, R134A.com. Cash in the Can has created a recycling program that gives you $10 for every can of
What are all you people doing trying to cut in line?
Cash in. Get location and details at
Need to get all the way back to the back of the line like I was.
Cash in, R134A.com. Kogo's next real time. Stormwatch traffic update just 10 minutes away.
It's lane cutter time. Yay! It's lane cutter time. Woohoo! a long line to get onto the naval station.
Visit Merrill Lynch.
Look at that guy right there.
Get started today.
Investing involves risk. Merrill Lynch, Pierce, Veteran Smith.
I guess that's there.
What is
The hell is going on here? I'm getting some good ones today.
Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum tonight. Let me take you for a ride, for a ride. Let's go crazy, my baby, dancing with the light.